how to install Cinema 4D. You search on Google Cinema 4D, click on the Maxon link, click on try, then you click to download for the Mac. Now you have to register your account. Put your first name, last name, email, password, country, and create your account. Now we go back to try, click to download, allow, go to the download files, click on the file. Now you have to click on the installer, open image, install. Now you have to write your email and your password and you sign in. After you sign in, you have to download the Cinema 4D. So you just have to click here, latest version, and it will be installing. So basically this is a setup for the Maxon Cinema 4D installation. You just have to select where you want to install it, click next, and you wait for it. After all of this installation process, you can now launch the app, and it takes in total around 10 minutes to install the Cinema 4D on your Mac computer. So there you have it, a fully functional Cinema 4D software installed. You can upload many things here. You can upload your 3ds file from SketchUp project that you have. You can do a lot of things. Have fun.